Hi friends, so welcome back. I came with one of the important opportunity from the Accenture, and they have announced the another hiring for the role of technology platform engineer or TPE. So this will be package application development associate, and this is full time role. So freshers are eligible for this. Now, my friend, before applying, make sure to listen all the points very carefully. Okay. So first thing that I want to tell that if you have already been apply for other hiring and you are waiting for the result or assessment, then I will suggest don't apply for this now. Okay, but if you haven't applied for any Accenture hiring, then only you should apply. Okay, now moving to next. So job location is Nagpur and required skill is Java. So if you are proficient in Java, you know the core Java, other concept, exception handling, other things, collections, and Java framework, then this is one important opportunity for you. So project role, that is technology platform engineer, and description, you will create production and non-production cloud environment using proper software tool and platform. So must have skill Java means you should have knowledge of Java, they have clearly mentioned. Okay, so minimum 0 to 2 year of experience is required. Means if you have some experience, then that is also good, but if you don't have experience, then that also work well. Okay, but you should knowledge of Java, or you should have understanding. Okay, next, educational qualification 15 year means you should have done the educations in these things, and summary you can go through it. So I will provide all the apply link in the description, you can go through it. And talking about the qualifications, so they have clearly mentioned full-time education and location Nagpur. And is there any additional information that equal employment opportunity statement, that's all things. And you know us about the Accenture, so this is one of the important hiring and everyone should apply for this. Okay, again saying, if you are waiting for the result, don't apply. And friends, NQT hiring has already been announced. I already made a detailed video related to that. So if you are the students who are preparing for the NQT, then must go through this video. There I have provided you the coding playlist and complete roadmap for other hiring. Okay, I regularly post lots of important job updates related to important updates, so make sure to subscribe this so that you will not miss any update. Currently Cognizant hiring is going on for 3 year degree program, IBM hiring going on. So if you haven't applied for all those opportunity, then you can apply for that. Okay, and coming to next important things that I want to tell, that keep applying for off campus drive, another important opportunity. Okay, you don't know that where you can get the opportunity, so keep applying and apply with your updated resume. Okay, so this all thing want to tell. And currently Deloitte interview has already been going on. So if you are the candidates who have been giving the Deloitte, or whose interview has been scheduled for Deloitte, then you can go through this video related to Deloitte and LA interview experience. Okay, and if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can basically fill this form. Hope informative to you. कोई भी डाउट है, feel free to ask your comment here. I am here to support you, and मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट जॉब अपडेट में. थैंक यू.